Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to insert image in your document. Suppose this is my resume. I just want to paste my photograph on my resume. How I can do it? Let's see. First of all, you have to click on the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, if you see, there is a group, that is illustration group. From this group, you have to select this option, that is picture. Now it will ask from where you want to insert picture, whether it is from desktop or in any drive. Suppose I am going to select this picture and just click insert. Now I want to just drag this picture and place this picture here on the top right corner, but I'm not able to drag this picture. So if you want to do this, you have to just click on Layout tab, and in this Layout tab you can see the Arrange group. In the Arrange group you have to select this option, that is Position. By default it is showing 9 position, that is upper, right, left and center. Similarly bottom, right, left, center and center positions. Now I am just going to select upper right position. Now I can drag my image to upper right corner. If you want to change this image, again you have to click here and you can change the position of your image. So in this way you can insert picture by using the position option. At any point of time you want to change the shape of this picture, you can change it. You have to just double click on the image and now you can see the picture toolbar on the title bar, and under the picture toolbar you can see format. Now you can format your image anytime. Suppose I want to change the shape of my image. I can change it like this. I can increase the size of the image or decrease it. Suppose I want to change the border color of this image. I can change it by using the picture border option, and now I can select the any color. Suppose I am going to select this red color. So in this way you can change the border of your picture. Suppose I want to give the effects to my picture. I can give it by selecting this option, picture effects. Suppose I want to give this option, that is 3D rotation, and I can select any effects to my picture. If you want to change the layout of your picture, you can change it. Suppose you want to draw a diagram with this image, you can do this by selecting any one of them. Suppose I am going to press Ctrl Z because this is my resume. So in this way I can insert picture, position the picture and format the picture. That's it for this video.